music ultimately is a global medium, and we want to connect the world through this expressive medium. We don't think there's anybody out there that doesn't like music. Smeal's a leader in mobile social music. We'd like 1 billion people to figure out how to make music together using mobile devices. That's one of the reasons why we're extremely excited about the Android platform.
We were amazed at how many more users we were able to reach in such a short period of time.
We're now north of 12 million monthly users hitting our products, and that compares with about 2.5 million a year ago, before we were on Android and Google Play.
It's record growth. It's the fastest growth we've ever seen.
We have over 10 million installs now, and that's been only about 3 months.
80% of our users for Songify are outside of the US.
Markets like Russia and Brazil and India and Malaysia.
AutoWrap was the first app that we launched simultaneously across platforms, and we were amazed with what we saw. Not only did it allow us to reach more people, there was this incredible word-of-mouth growth. There was this halo effect.
We spend a lot of time trying to create landing pages and images and marketing materials that allow customers to quickly understand what our apps deliver and get excited about it and then install the application. When customers install our apps from a YouTube video, they tend to be 2 to 3 times more valuable. They are more engaged, they stay for longer, and they monetize better.
I think AutoWrap has been a great example of how the ability to update immediately has really helped us with our product quality. Our rating for AutoWrap has been consistently higher every single day, basically, since we've launched on Google Play, and that's directly a result of the fact that we can respond immediately. You know, when a bug comes up, and when we're getting certain feedback from users, we can fix that in a day and launch it.
We want to bring music back to its roots of a social, interactive, expressive medium. And that can only happen if we bring everybody with us. And that's one of the reasons why we're so excited about Android and Google Play. We think we open up this experience to the globe through this platform.